The FN-2A1 LMG, a name that resonates with power, embodying India's commitment to defense. This weapon stands as a sentinel, guarding our borders with unwavering vigilance. A symbol of national strength, it is a testament to India's growing military prowess. The FN-2A1 is not just a weapon, it is a statement. It tells the world that India is ready to defend its sovereignty, ready to protect its people. This light machine gun is a symbol of national pride. The FN-2A1 is a marvel of modern engineering. Chambered for the powerful 62 by 51 mm NATO round, it delivers formidable firepower. Its rate of fire, a blistering 700 rounds per minute, can suppress any enemy. The LMG boasts an effective range of 1,800 meters. This weapon is built for endurance. It can withstand the harshest conditions. Its robust construction ensures reliability. The FN-2A1 is easy to maintain, making it ideal for prolonged deployments. Indian soldiers can trust this weapon. It will perform when needed. The FN-2A1 is more than just a machine gun. It is a precision instrument. Its adjustable sights allow for accurate fire. It is designed for control. Its ergonomic design minimizes recoil, enhancing accuracy and effectiveness in combat. The FN-2A1 is a testament to India's growing industrial capabilities. It is manufactured under license at the Ordnance Factory Board, OFB, in Tiruchirappalli. This indigenous production is crucial. It reduces reliance on foreign suppliers. Local manufacturing strengthens India's self-reliance. It creates jobs and boosts the economy. More importantly, it secures the supply chain. This ensures that our armed forces have the weapons they need when they need them. This domestic production is a strategic asset. It empowers India in a world of complex geopolitics. The FN-2A1 is not just made in India, it is made for India. The FN-2A1 LMG traces its lineage to the legendary FN-FAL. This iconic battle rifle earned the moniker the right arm of the free world. It served countless armies globally. The FN-FAL's legacy of reliability and effectiveness lives on in the FN-2A1. The FN-2A1 is a modernized version of this renowned rifle. It incorporates improvements based on decades of combat experience. This ensures that the FN-2A1 is a truly world-class weapon. It stands shoulder to shoulder with the best in its class. By adopting the FN-2A1, India joins a distinguished group of nations. These nations trust the FN platform for their defense. This shared heritage strengthens international military cooperation. It fosters a sense of unity among free nations. The FN-2A1 LMG significantly enhances India's defense capabilities. It provides our soldiers with a decisive advantage in combat. Its firepower and reliability are unmatched. This weapon serves across various branches of the Indian Armed Forces. The Indian Army relies on the FN-2A1 for its infantry units. It provides sustained fire support. It can dominate the battlefield. The Indian Air Force uses it to protect air bases. The Indian Navy deploys it on ships. It provides a crucial defensive screen. The FN-2A1 is a true force multiplier. It empowers our soldiers to achieve their missions. This weapon strengthens India's defense posture. It contributes to regional stability and global security. The FN-2A1 LMG stands as a symbol of India's progress. It reflects our nation's unwavering commitment to defense. This weapon instills pride and confidence. It shows the world that India is a force to be reckoned with. Indians can take pride in their nation's defense technology. The FN-2A1 is a shining example of this progress. It demonstrates our commitment to innovation and self-reliance. This weapon is a source of national strength. It is a testament to the skill and dedication of Indian engineers and workers. The FN-2A1 LMG is more than just a weapon. It is a symbol of India's resolve. It represents our determination to protect our nation and our people. It is a beacon of hope. It shows that India is ready to face any challenge.